ourselves.
So my name is Irene Canillas.
I am Donasol for UPHA.
I am Loren Carabalya.
And I am Montilla Shamil.
I am Dave Florian Y. Ayo.
And we are from PSP 117. Today, ma'am, I have a few questions regarding your business. But before that, let me introduce myself. I'm Donasol for UPHA. Ma'am, can you introduce yourself?
I'm Nilda B. Vergara,
What is the name of your business?
MNJ Water Filling Station.
In what year did your business start?
1990.
Where is it located?
Barangay Linayang, Alam-Alam Lake.
What products and service does your business offer?
Water.
What type of business owner are you? Sole proprietorship or single owner? Partnership or corporation?
Single owner.
What motivated you to start this business?
For living.
How did you come up with the idea for your business?
It is necessity.
How much was your capital in building this business?
For water refilling, almost 300,000, not included the building.
How much did you earn day by day?
Now, kay summer, 5,000 or less.
How do you attract and retain customers?
By offering good service.
What are the most important aspects of maintaining a good relationship with the supplier and with customers?
Honesty and good relation. Friendly.
What are the main challenges you face when starting your business?
Mga customer, minsan, yung mga kagaya to ng mga bottle, ibabalik ka yung mga buho. So, dito.
How did you overcome this challenge?
Take a rest na lang.
How do you measure success in your business?
Kaya nakakakam ako mga, kumbaga na, ano akong daily needs.
What advice would you give to the people who